Hi, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to present the topic functions in C. Functions are one of the important concepts in C programming language because they help programmers write programs in an organized way. Instead of writing a long program with repeated code, functions divide the program into smaller sections. In this presentation, I will explain what a function is, why functions are needed, and types of functions and the structure of function, and then a simple example program we have to go through this video. First, let us understand what is function. A function is a block of code that performs a specific task. Function help divide a large program into smaller and manageable parts. This makes programs easy to understand and organize. For example, if we want to perform addition many times in a program, instead of writing the same code repeatedly, we can create a function and call it whenever we need it. So, the functions save the time and make coding easier. A simple way to remember function is write once and use many times. Now, let us see why functions are important. The first advantage is reducing code repetitions. We do not need to write the same code again and again. The second advantage is better readability. Programs become clean and easier to understand. And third function, make debugging easier. If an error occurs, we can check only that function instead of the entire program. Functions also provide reusable code, meaning one function can be used many times. So, finally, functions help save programming time and reduce complexity. Now, let us discuss about the basic structure of a function. A function mainly contains three parts. First is function declaration. That means it tells the compiler about the function name, return type, and what are the parameters we used. The second function is definition. That means function definition. This contains the actual logic or code of the function. Third one is function call. This is used to execute the function inside the program. These are the three parts work together to perform a task successfully. Then we will discuss about types of functions. In C programming, there are mainly two types of functions. First, library functions. These are predefined functions already available in C programming. For example, printf. Printf is used for displaying the output, and then scanf. It's used for taking input from the user. These functions are already built into the language, so programmers can directly use them. Second one is user defined function. These are functions created by programmers according to their needs. For example, if we want to perform addition, we can create our own function called add. So these are the examples, and these are the two types of functions. One is library function, another one is user defined functions. Then now let us see the simple example program. This program explains three important parts of a function, which are function declaration, function definition, and then function call. First, what is meant by function declaration? It declares function name and what is the type of data, and then what are the parameters we include. So in this line tells the compiler there is a function called add which takes two integer values. The data type is int. Second one is function definition. So this line int add of int a and int b return a plus b. This is the actual function logic. So the function takes two values and return their sum. And third one is function call. Result equal to add of 5 comma 3. Here the function is executed by passing values 5 and 3. The returned value is stored in the variable called result. Finally, the output is displayed using printf of double quotes result equal to percentage %d comma result. The output is program will be result equal to 8. This example clearly explains how functions work in C programming. So these are the main of 3 parts in functions of C programming. Next, we discuss about advantages and applications of C programming using functions. So functions provide many advantages. They improve code reusability, meaning one function can be used multiple times. So functions make programs easier to maintain and improve readability. They also reduce program complexity and make coding more organized. Functions are widely used in many applications such as banking system, calculator applications, mobile apps, and then games. Almost every software application uses functions. Thank you.